Do you know how to inspect a roof claim? For a lot of new adjusters, this is one of the biggest confidence gaps after getting licensed. They have the license, but they have never stood in front of a real property, looked at a roof, and had to figure out what to inspect, what to photograph, what to document, and what to say to the policyholder. Roof claims require a process. You need to know how to look at the roof covering, roof slopes, elevations, gutters, vents, soft metals, siding, windows, fences, and any other areas that may help tell the story of the loss. You also need to know how to document what you see. That means taking clear photos, labeling them properly, writing useful notes, recording measurements, and keeping your file organized. And just as important, you need to know what not to do. Do not guess. Do not promise coverage. Do not tell the policyholder what will or will not be paid. Your job in the field is to inspect, document, communicate professionally, and report your findings. A good roof claim inspection is not about rushing through the property. It is about following a process, collecting the right information, and building a file that can actually be reviewed. If you are a new adjuster and roof claims make you nervous, that is normal. But nervous is not the problem. Unprepared is the problem. Start learning the field side of storm claims with the Wind and Hail Online Adjuster Certification course from Adjuster Academy of Texas.